Okay, go.
Hello, these are my Beyblades that I got yesterday, and we got the Beyblade Stadium, the Beyblade bits, and let's build them. So, you certainly just get this bit. I have another one of these bits, so I don't know where it's gone. Then this bit, you have to, if that's bit sticking up, that means it's not meant to be like that. If it's not, that means it's meant to be like that. And then you get this type of bolt. So I'll tell you what this looks like. So it's like some fire and then a little curvy bit. And then you've got this bit, it's taller than this bit. It's taller, so it won't reach, will it? Doesn't reach, so that's taller than that bit. And the bolt has like got fire and that, like I told you. And this bolt, don't know what it sure looks like. Just looks like that. Then you've got this plastic. This is plastic. This bit goes down and up. I don't know why. Just make it like that. And then, like I showed you the bolts, and then I showed you those. They're different heights. Then this looks like a customised, nice printing on it, nice paint job, and just like nice colour. So that will go on there. I quite like this, it's nice and cold. I like these bits because they can destroy this. I'll show you now. It destroys it. And this is like earthy type. You can't really see that there's little cracks in there. Can't really see those because it's black and those are black. And I showed you these, and like I showed you those. There's one other thing I didn't show you. This. This I put already sticks on. It hasn't got any on this side, it's just plain black. Just a little mark. You know these green bits, they were meant to go on here, but I just wanted to put them on here. You know you get these in a separate pack. And you've got, so let's get on to building. I want to know how good it spins without the bottom on. Quite good. We'll go a bit crazy in a minute. Like we're going to jag. That's like it. So that looks really cool. And you can see that goes in and out. Makes a little noise. Like that. But when you hit it, it doesn't make it. But do you hear that noise when it stops? Not that noise. That noise. I quite like that noise. So this is like purple fire. Even though I've got this on my Christmas list, I'm getting this Christmas as well. No, put that on last. Oh, this might go better. Let's try something about all registers, how to build them. There's fans in there, because that was thinking. So that's what I mean, that noise as well. So let's have a spinning test, and also I'll show you that after. I'll have an actual go out and give me a second. It's quite cool. It's quite cool when it gets slower because it's like a spiral in the middle. I quite like that. So that's going to go out spinning for another 1 minute. Or maybe, I don't really know. Could have stopped. Let's try this one. This one will go out of there. Oh, it's under the sofa. How do we get it now? Got it. So I'll show you that again. Okay. One thing else. This on the back, that undoes the bolts. Like I'll show you. Quite like it. Now I don't know how to do it. You see that bottom, that takes these bits off. Ow! Where's it gone? In there. How do I get it out? It's quite hard to get it out. Right, just need my tool. How do I get it? Got it. Check if that's on. Yep, no. That wasn't on. I have got this little thing. Blades, blades, and take them off, but I don't know how to. It's quite clever. So I might just do another test of this one. Might be a bit crazy. That's not going to go crazy. It just makes that noise. But that's telling me to go around. It's called a gyrobot thing. I don't know why I'm just using this because this is the only stadium I've got. These are not called gyrobots, by the way. They're called Beyblades. It's that noise. So that's like. Oh, that looks like a really good look. I like a bit good. I like it when it spins around with the blue on it. And I like seeing it around. I should do it with the battle now. Just need to get that one. This is the one it comes with. I'll show you. And get it off. Matching. This is the actual one. This didn't come with it. I don't know where the one went. to it. No.